Hello students, this is your English teacher Mrs. Haimavati from LP Savani Vidya Bhavan. Students, today we will start with a new lesson, that is pronouns. First let's see what is the meaning of pronoun. Words used in place of nouns are called pronouns. So pronouns are the words which are used in the place of nouns. For example, Savita is riding a bicycle. She stopped at the garden to play. So here Savita is a girl. So Savita is the subject. And when I am talking about Savita again, so I used here she. So she is used in place of Savita. So she here is the pronoun. Rita and Sita are twins. So Rita and Sita are twins. They study in the same class. So they here is used as pronoun in place of Rita and Sita. So the word she and they are pronouns. So pronouns can be singular or plural. Here in the example, she is singular, they is plural. Okay. Why they is plural? Because they is used for two persons, that is Rita and Sita. Okay. Now come to types of pronouns. So there are different types of pronoun. Personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, distributive pronoun, indefinite pronoun and relative pronoun. So we will study about these pronouns in detail. First come to personal pronouns. So personal pronouns refers to persons, groups or things. So personal pronoun always refers to persons, groups or things. For example, Seema is not well. She went to visit the doctor. So here I have used she in place of Seema. So when the pronoun refers to any person, then that is known as personal pronoun. Here she refers to Seema. So she here is personal pronoun. Next is the computer is new. It is a gift from mother. So it is a pronoun which is used or which refers to thing, computer. So here it is a personal pronoun which is used for thing in a sentence. So she and it are used instead of Seema and computer respectively. Hence they are personal pronouns. Now we know that personal pronoun refers to persons. So personal pronoun stands for three persons. So that is the first person, second person and third person. So who is the first person? The speaker of the sentence is known as first person. Okay. So the one who is speaking is the first person. So first person pronouns are I, we, me, us. So these are the first person pronouns. So I is used in singular, we is used in plural, me is used in singular, us is used in plural. Okay. Next is second person, the person spoken to. So the first person is the speaker of the sentence. The speaker is speaking to a person. So the person to whom the speaker is speaking is the second person. The second person pronoun is you. So you is used in singular and plural both. Now come to third person. So the third person is the person that the speaker is talking about. So the person that the speaker is talking about, the first person is the speaker of the sentence. he is speaking to another person, he or she will be second person, that is you. Okay, and the first person is talking about the person, then that person will be third person. The person that the speaker is talking about is the third person. So it can be he, him, she, her, it, they, them. He, she, it. Here he, him is used for masculine gender, she, her is used for feminine gender, it is used for neuter gender, and these all are singular. Okay, so these all are singular pronoun, and that is they, them. These two are plural pronouns. Okay. Now come to possessive pronouns. So possessive pronouns, a pronoun that shows possession and ownership is called a possessive pronoun. So possessive pronoun, a pronoun that shows possession and ownership is called a possessive pronoun. So when when a pronoun shows the possession or ownership of a particular thing, then that pronoun is known as possessive pronoun. For possessive pronoun we use mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, theirs. So these are the possessive pronouns. For example, these books are his. So his here is the possessive pronoun. These glasses are mine. Mine here is the possessive pronoun. That house is ours. Ours here is the possessive pronoun. Next come to demonstrative pronouns. So demonstrative pronouns are words that are used to point out specific person or object in a sentence. So demonstrative pronouns are the words that are used to point out specific person or object in a sentence. So for demonstrative pronouns are this, these, that, those. So this is singular, these is used for plural. That is singular, those is used for plural. For example, this is my book. So here this is demonstrative pronoun. Those are the boys who came to meet the principal. So those here is demonstrative pronoun. Next come to interrogative pronouns. The word interrogative means asking questions. Okay. So if you see, interrogative pronouns are used for asking questions. So interrogative pronouns are used for asking questions. Interrogative pronouns are who, whom, what, which and whose. So these are the interrogative pronouns: who, whom, what, which, whose. So here for example, whom do you want to meet? So whom here is interrogative pronoun. Which of these sweets do you like? Which here is interrogative pronoun. What is your roll number? So what here is interrogative pronoun. So the interrogative pronouns are who, whom, what, which, whose. When we are talking about person, who, whom and whose pronouns are used. When we are talking about things, what, which pronouns are used. So with this I would like to end here. Next we will continue in the next session.